So much love to you all from the forest. It's raining and thundering, and it's been very hot here in the Netherlands for a long time, and now we got lots of rain pouring in. And it's here in the forest. It's so beautiful to have all this thunder rumbling and then the shaking of the trees and even the hail storm came down with lots of hail. So it's that cold even, and I am walking bare feet. It's really cool. Very nice, and the puddles are warm, and it's very nice to be outdoors and be freshened up, because Mother Nature gives you this beautiful, beautiful pouring of rain. It's like an outdoor shower. It is amazing. It is just amazing. Mother Nature doing this for us, cleaning up. So if you got a chance, go outdoor in the rain and dance in the rain. Bye.